Okay, this is the elevator near the theater at the Carnegie Science Center in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a Westinghouse Schindler mutt, I believe. Let's get a cab view. Well, regardless of whether this is a Westinghouse or a Schindler, it has exposed air vents, which is very rare for an RT. Alright, let's go up to 2. Get out here and get a view. This is the waiting area for the theater. It's staff only. Yep. The Westy Schindler RT still lives on. That's it.